How to replace the auxiliary battery on the 2015 Chevy Malibu. First step, you grab the key, open the trunk. The battery is located on the driver's side. Here, you're gonna see the little panel here, the battery sign. You open it, right? All you need really is a 10mm like this. You battery here. You're going to loosen those 10mm on both sides, right? You take those cable off. After you remove those cables here on both sides, and you're gonna use a 10mm like this and an extension, and there is a 10mm bolt down here that you need to remove to take that strap off of the battery, and the battery will be able to come out. It's that easy, guys, and it's the reverse of removal. Put the battery in and make sure you pay attention to the polarity when you put them in. Match the color. Red goes on red, black goes on black, and you tie them up and use a 10mm. Tie that 10mm bolt down there, the strap, to secure it in the right spot, and that's it. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.